Live video. Okay. हमारा मैं वेट करी ना for people to come through. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Wagma. Welcome to Daily Dermatology with me. As you all know, I'm just gonna wait 3-4 minutes for everyone to join and then I'm gonna talk. Hello Hamayun, how are you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Yes, I'm live. I'm just gonna wait 4-5 minutes for everyone to join in and then I'll just talk. So I'm just waiting for everyone to join. How is everyone? How's life? I hope COVID का situation कैसे चल रहा है? I hope you guys are keeping safe. I'm just gonna talk थोड़ा सा extra so हर कोई join कर सके. So let's just talk about COVID. Then I guess I hope you guys are keeping safe. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. Please social distance maintain करिए और अपने mask ज़रूर पहनिए. I'm not wearing a mask because I'm gonna go on live though I'm in clinic. I think we'll start. ठीक है? So I'm gonna talk about जिन्होंने emails भेजे हैं. So I'm gonna start from there. अगर बीच में किसी ने question पूछना है तो I'll be more than happy to reply. ठीक है? Say. Okay. Hi doctor, getting black strikes? Black. Okay. You're talking about black streaks on my nails. Why does it happen? Okay, so Ali is asking, I'm getting black streaks on my nail. Okay, देखो black streaks अगर आपको nails के toe के nail के नीचे black streaks दिख रहे हैं तो it can be an injury. Normally they are called splinter hemorrhages. ठीक है, तो क्या होते हैं नीचे कोई blood vessel फट गई. It can be serious also. Hello everyone, whoever is joining in. So अगर नीचे कोई ब्लड वेसल बर्स्ट हो जाता है तो इट ऑलवेज गिव यू ऐसे देता है आपको लोग. प्लस यू नो इट कैन जस्ट दे आर लाइक स्प्लिंटर हैमरेजेस. कभी कभी आपको चोट भी लग जाती है तो उसकी वजह से भी दे शो ऐसी ब्लैक स्ट्रीक्स. ठीक है, बट इट कैन बी अगर यू वेट फॉर 1-2 weeks. अगर ये इफ इट डिसअपेयर्स, अगर वो जा रहे हैं तो फिर इट्स ड्यू टू एन इंजरी. But if it's still persistent, then you really need to go check it out कि कोई underlying cause ना हो, कोई underlying problem ना हो. अगर आपको विटामिन B12 की कमी है जैसे मुझे थी तो I used to find you know bluish ऐसे bluish streaks थे मेरे nails के नीचे. That's also वो विटामिन B12 की वजह से होता है. And then you get this fungal, अगर आपको toenail fungal infection है तो you also find, but वो black streaks नहीं होंगे, वो साइड में गंदा होता है नेल बिकॉज ब्रोकन नेल होती है, उसके नीचे डेब्री जमा होता है तो आपके नेल्स के एजेस ऐसे ब्लैक हो जाते हैं. तो दैट्स ड्यू टू फंगल इन्फेक्शन. एंड इफ यू हैव टोनेल का फंगल तो यू हैव टू ट्रीट इट. ठीक है, एंड आई हैड अ होल वीडियो अबाउट इट के हाउ टू ट्रीट योर नेल फंगस. ठीक है, यू गेट आई थिंक आपको पता है सबसे ज़्यादा बेहतर कोई जो चीज़ नेल फंगस पे काम करती है वो है ओरल मेडिकेशन. So you know I've been using there are nail ऐसे polish की तरह भी आते हैं. You get these drops also. You have to put it on your nail. You have to buff it और file करते हो and then you apply that polish and leave it for a week. And then after a week dip your feet again गरम normal warm water में and then again reapply. तो it's a long process. But it's better आप उसके साथ जो मेरे लिए काम किया, मेरे लिए oral एंटी फंगल्स ने काम किया, बिकॉज दीज थिंग्स डिडंट रियली वर्क गुड फॉर मी. सो आई took antifungal terbinafine almost 6 weeks to get rid of it. But you said you got black streaks, so that's kind of alarming. या अगर आपको recently कोई चोट लगी है तो then it's due to नीचे स्प्रिंटर हैमरेज हो गया होगा, ब्लड वेसल बर्स्ट हो गया होगा. अगर 1-2 हफ्ते में it doesn't get better, then it's better if you go to the doctor and check it out कि कोई underlying medical problem ना हो. Otherwise I did speak about कि अगर फंगल है तो साइड में से थोड़ा ब्लैक ब्लैक होगा and it takes a while, and उसके लिए आप टैबलेट्स खा लें. there are market में these gels, polishes and drops come, but it really doesn't work much. For me antifungal tablets work, and if you want to see अच्छा result तो please go take tablets, go to a dermatologist and get your course. It should take 6 weeks in around, so you'll get a खूबसूरत साफ nail from down. So look into that. But you said black streaks है तो you need to wait 2 weeks. अगर आपको पता होगा injury हुई होगी, if it's not injury then you should go to a doctor and check it out कि हुआ क्या है, फिर कोई underlying cause होगा. Okay, by the way evening है तो चाय भी हो जानी चाहिए. Hello Dr. Wagma, hope you're doing good. I have a question. Please, is lip filler safe? Will I get lumps? Everybody is talking about lip fillers. Well, lip fillers, there I don't mind, you know, thoda sa change karna. If you like lip fillers and you want to try, you can try. Lip fillers are very safe and they don't make lumps. It depends on the quality of the filler. Agar if you're using good quality fillers, so you'll never get these lumps and all. Normally when you inject fillers into your lips, thoda एक हफ्ता 2 weeks तक you feel थोड़ा सा lumps come, but it's not that visible. You just feel it yourself and then it dissolve, खत्म हो जाता है. But if you find a very lumpy look वाले lips, तो it means bad filler is used. Filler was not of a good quality. So always use better quality का filler, that won't happen. इसलिए go to a reputable doctor to make your lips so you don't find these lumps. So I think lumps ka problem is always at the quality of the filler. So if you use a bad quality of filler, it will happen. And it is safe. I like fillers and I like trying stuff. So I don't think so should be. You can use it, and agar lumpy hoga to it's a bad filler use. Otherwise kabhi aise feel nahi hota. Okay. Hi Dr. Wagma, does PRP hurt? Will I get needle marks? Assalamualaikum. Nida, PRP doesn't hurt because you get numb for 40 minutes. We get you face पहले topical numbing apply होती है and we leave you there for 40 minutes. आप अच्छे खासे numb होते हो, and then PRP is about needles, you know. So PRP is very beneficial. I love PRP personally and I use it a lot. PRP एक तो you know it's a safe है. Okay, I'll talk about the 5 most benefit of PRP. So first of all, it's safe because it's your own blood system. You're not using artificial, कुछ भी उसमें नहीं डाल रहे हो, आप अपना ही system use कर रहे हो. You know, we take 9cc blood out of you. उसमें से we take plasma, then we put it in an activator and it changes it into platelets. So we inject it back into your face, and it's safe for this reason that it's not artificial and you're using your own system. Okay. Secondly, it's the best thing to for your skin rejuvenation. You know, your fine lines will decrease because it boosts your collagen and your elastin. So it gives you, you know, an amazing effect. उसके साथ साथ आपकी स्किन टेक्सचर और टोन भी चेंज हो जाती है. प्लस डू इट विद डर्मा पेन. डॉक्टर डू इट. सारे डॉक्टर्स मोस्टली आप बोल भी सकते हो अपने डॉक्टर को कि आपको डर्मा पेन के साथ भी करके दे दे, तो वो आपकी अपर स्किन को भी हटा देते हैं, तो यू गेट डबल फायदा. एंड देन दे इंजेक्टेड बैक इनटू योर स्किन एंड योर वेयरएवर इट्स नीडेड. And the best part is you inject it under your eye. So why to do even fillers? पहले आप उससे शुरू कर ले. Normally even if you do lasers, आप उस eye के पास नज़दीक नहीं जा सकते because it's very delicate and all. So it's very hard to reach these areas. But filler ये जो वो है PRP का free जो injected back there. And yes, PRP is amazing for rosacea. Somebody is asking. It's amazing for dermatology में. PRP fluid is amazing for rosacea and acne. सो PRP इज नॉट पेनफुल, you get numb, ठीक है, आपको numb करते हैं around 40 minutes and you don't feel nothing, so it's not painful at all because you're numb and the benefits are amazing. You look, आपको PRP के results almost 3 to 6 weeks पे मिलते हैं, but it's working in long run also, so you amazing. चाय पिला रही हो तो मुझे question read करूँ, but I will answer everybody, but I would like to finish my questions जो जिसने email किया है, पहले मैं उस पर बात कर लूँगी and then I'll answer you guys also, and it's tea time, let's have tea also. Humaira, can I get tea or anything? So I will answer anybody, जो questions होंगे मैं ज़रूर answer करूँगी. I just answer अभी about rosacea, that yes PRP का we were just talking about PRP and मुझे ख्याल आया because you asked about PRP का rosacea के लिए, तो yes it does amazing job on dermatology point of view, it work amazing on acne and rosacea. But I'm gonna finish these questions and then I will definitely answer. Okay, so yes PRP आपका basic question था, no you don't feel pain and PRP के needle marks नहीं रहते, downtime is a week to 15 days, but trust me in a week time you see no marks on your face and it all vanishes. कुछ भी नहीं होता, कभी कभी आपको ब्रूज बन सकता है because blind है, कभी आप नीचे कोई वेसल इंजरी हो सकती है, तो हार्डली इक्का दुक्का उस वो भी प्रैक्टिस पे होता है, बट सब इंसान है, डॉक्टर भी इंसान है यार, कभी कभी इक्का दुक्का ब्रूज बन जाए तो क्या हो गया, in a week time it all goes away. So yes, PRP is amazing, you should, and it works amazing on under eye as you talked about it. So PRP is personally my favorite also, and plus you know what, long term में काम कर रहा होता है, 12 to 18 months तक काम करेगा, and 4 to 6 weeks after a treatment you will see result. So at least do 3 to 4 treatments to कर ले PRP face का, and do it on a month apart, like 4 weeks पे, and no, there's no pain in PRP and there will be no needle mark after the downtime is what, to a week, there's no needle marks left and you'll have this refreshed skin and amazing calm color. And I just talked about uska benefit 5. Okay, can I get white fair skin with HydraFacial? यार एक तो इतने हमारे लोगों के, sorry I'm not, but our people have some unrealistic kind of वो मतलब HydraFacial, how can it give you a fair skin? HydraFacial, it's so unrealistic now that you'll get a fair skin with HydraFacial. No, HydraFacial will enhance your skin tone. HydraFacial is basically, it cleanse, exfoliate and it gives you a clean skin tone, your skin tone, ठीक है? So it cleans up your skin and we're using extra peels with it, like kojic acid is toward whitening की तरफ, but I can't make you Snow White with fair, sorry, but we can't make you Snow White with HydraFacial, but it does give you a clean tone and we do use brightening peels for you extra. And you see HydraFacial के result, if you want to go somewhere or if you have a function or कुछ भी, तो आप HydraFacial को एक हफ्ता पहले करें. So after a week you see this amazing clean skin, खूबसूरत glowing and all of that. So it will fix your खुद का skin tone, it will improve it, but I can't make you Snow White with HydraFacial. I can't do that, but this is just our people का unrealistic things के doctor will touch this and this will happen. We're not जादूगर यार, and ना हम miracles भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, and just be happy the way you are. HydraFacial will clean and improve your skin tone, but I can't make you a Snow White beta. I hope this helps. Okay, what else is there? Hi doctor, I want a jawline. What's the best way to get देखो jawline? Now, if you really want to have a very dramatic kind of jawline, then you need to put fillers in it and you get a very dramatic jawline. But again, it can look thick उसके साथ. बहुत सारे लोगों की chin नहीं होती है. So I had a very round face and मेरी chin नहीं थी. So when I put filler in my chin, I got a jawline prominent already. So but then again, it's temporary. और प्लस थोड़ा सा अगर हम वेट भी लूज कर ले, वो लोग people who have double chin, it also doesn't let you have a jawline, but people who are born without a chin, बहुत सारे लोगों की chin नहीं होती है, तो उनमें अगर आप बहुत भी कर लो फिर भी नहीं जाती आपकी डबल चिन, बट पतले लोगों की ऑलरेडी एक प्रोमिनेंट जॉलाइन होती है. But if you really want to have that aesthetic look and you want a prominent jawline, so you can put filler in your jawline and it gives you this prominent look. इवन इफ थोड़ा सा आप चिन में, अगर आपकी चिन नहीं है एंड इफ यू पुट फिलर जस्ट जैसे मैंने किया, तो आई गॉट अ प्रोमिनेंट जॉ लाइन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. So if you do that, it does help. Jawline निकल आती है. Little bit HIFU will work for you. HIFU works amazing. Inject Fatex in your double chin. That helps. जब double chin नहीं होती है and your skin stretch up, ऊपर की तरफ pull up होती है your neck and face की, तो you automatically get a jawline. And HIFU really works for jawline. It gives you this cut वाला jawline. But if you really want that aesthetic वाला jawline, then you really need to look into fillers, but it's temporary, should work 8 to 9 months तक, and then you have to do it again. So better look into, I like combination therapies, like HIFU की तरफ देख रहे, पहले HIFU करें, स्किन को पुल करेगा, उससे भी जॉ लाइन प्रोमिनेंट हो जाएगी. बट अगेन अगर आपको बहुत प्रोमिनेंट चाहिए तो फिलर डाल दीजिए, एंड इट रियली गिव्स यू दिस प्रोमिनेंट जॉ लाइन. Hello doctor, what is your clinic called and where are they located? I want to come for hair removal laser, and do you have NDI 1064? Hello, assalamualaikum. Yes, my clinics are called, they're called Derma Perfecta. We are located in Karachi. We got 3 branches right now. One at Defense, Badarpe. The second is at Clifton and the third is at Gulshan. एंड अगर आप गूगल करो तो यू विल फाइंड आवर एड्रेसेस देयर, दे आर ऑन गूगल मैप पे है. यू इफ यू वांट वेयरएवर यू लोकेटेड इन, जो आपको नज़दीक पड़ेगा, सो यू जस्ट गूगल इट डर्मा परफेक्टा गुलशन, तो यू गेट द मैप, यू गूगल एंड देयर नंबर्स देयर, सो यू कॉल द रिसेप्शनिस्ट ऑल्सो एंड दे बुक यू इन. अगर बदर पे आना है, यू इन डिफेंस, तो यू गूगल डर्मा परफेक्टा बदर. इफ यू वांट टू कम इन टू क्लिफ्टन, तो यू गूगल डर्मा परफेक्टा क्लिफ्टन. अच्छा, you asked about what do we use Nd:YAG. Yes, my favorite is Nd:YAG 1064. I love this. This laser works amazing. It's a hair removal laser, plus it works amazing on our skin, our type of skin. It really gives you good result. In UK I used to look into Diotka, that's like soprano and all of that. It's not for our skin type, it's for more fair skin type. Even I don't consider myself fair skin because हम mixture है. We're not type 1, we are in 3. I think we're type 3 and 4 के बीच में है. So for us, what works amazing is Nd:YAG 1064. उसका wavelength is दिखे 1064. It goes deeper also, and it's amazing. Where diode का कितना 850 है nanometer. This one is better, and it works amazing for us, our skin type. I'm all lasered, and I've done my laser with Nd:YAG 1064. But again, don't have unrealistic kind of things for hair removal laser. It means reduction to a point where आपके बाल बहुत कम हो, ना कि अब it depends on sittings also. Not कि आपने 1-2 दफ़ा लेजर कर लिया and you want to see result. It doesn't work like that. Okay, no, I'll take one tea. Thank you so much. Sorry people, I need my tea also because I've been working and now guys I'm talking to you, so I do need something. Okay, so yes, so laser does work, but Nd:YAG 1064 is amazing for our skin type. But again, don't have unrealistic kind of imagination के 1 और 2 settings में आपके बाल ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. No, it doesn't work like that. There are a way to hair removal laser. It takes a while. If you really want to see result, normal hair, look into 4 to 6 sessions. And then you'll see reduction into it. But you know, if you have a hormonal cause or anything, your laser is not even going to work. So your doctor will always ask you if you have any hormonal problems or anything. They will fix that first, then the laser will happen and you will see a result. Otherwise you won't see result with hair removal laser. And yes, we do use Nd:YAG 1064 at our clinics. We love 1064 because they gives you good results. For our skin type, it's amazing. Or it's my opinion that it really works on our skin types. Okay, what else is there? Hello doctor, mashallah, you always look great. Okay, that's so sweet. I think I should take it as a comment. That's so sweet of you. Thank you. I look great. Thank you. Wanted to ask you about peels. What peel is best and what result? Okay, now peels, again, you know, peels, what peels does, it remove your upper ka skin, ठीक है, it remove the upper layer of your skin and you get this more even tone and it decreases your fine wrinkles also. But now, in my opinion, peel is not for everyone. It's amazing for like thoda sa fair, like type 1 skin type ke liye peels are amazing because they don't have hyperpigmentation ka problem, and they won't get double tone and all. For us it's a problem. I have seen peels ke upar, when we do peels mostly we end up getting double tone, double tone ya hyperpigmentation mein. So that's another problem. And then there are different peels. Now I don't know what peel is good for you because I have to see your skin. Okay, so it's from skin type to skin type and your problems also. So if you're acne wala skin ho to salicylic should work. Glycolic is amazing also. Lactic also is amazing. But these are also office use wale, and you do find peels in market. Products are there 5% peel into it. But if you really want to see a professional result, then you have to be with your doctor and they do it professionally in your office, where you apply peel and you wait for it. So it first आपको थोड़ा burning sensation होती है, and then it start tingling, and हर peel का एक down time होता है, and then they remove the peel off. And you should, if you want to see good result with peels, so you should do it at least 3-4 times. ठीक है? Do it 4 weeks apart. Plus you have to aftercare also, because ऊपर की skin hati होती है, तो you're more sensitive to light also. So again you have to use sunscreen, and you have to take care के वो ना हो जाए, डैमेज ना हो जाए. As I said, हमारी स्किन वैसे ही थोड़ा हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन के इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. सो पील्स के साथ ये मसला, सारे ट्रीटमेंट जो थोड़े से इन्वेजिव होते हैं, तो यू हैव टू रियली बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट, not to get hyperpigmentation with that. And then peels are tricky. So जो आप products लेते हो, I think ordinary में peels के आ रहे होते हैं, you can use them, but that's also making your skin sensitive, so be careful with that. Try to use it जो पीछे direction होती है, and then try to use sunblock also to avoid more damage than getting better. Peels are not my, personally I don't like it. It's not my favorite thing. Because you have to take care of it a lot. But it does work. They're really amazing. You should look into it. Again, okay. Hello, my name is Saf. Wanted to ask you about scar removal, CO2. How does it work? And will it get... CO2, my favorite laser for scars and resurfacing is CO2. It's a carbon laser. It's amazing. It works amazing on scars and on resurfacing. I love it personally. What it does, it removes the upper layer of your skin, and it goes एक तो first it's light, so वो focus होती है आपकी skin surface पे. स्किन सरफेस पे होती है फोकस, तो वो आपकी अपर लेयर हटा रही होती है एपिडर्मिस, जो आपका स्किन का फर्स्ट सरफेस होता है. एंड साथ साथ इट्स डूइंग अ डीप काम, लाइक इट गिव्स हीट्स टू योर सेकंड लेयर, डर्मिस को भी हीट अप कर रही होती है. तो इट इन रिटर्न वो आपके कोलेजन को वो वर्क करने के लिए बोलता है. सो इट्स ऑल्सो डूइंग डबल जॉब, रिसर्फेसिंग भी कर रहा है ऊपर, एंड नीचे आपके डर्मिस को कोलेजन को भी एक्टिवेट कर रहा है. सो इट विल वर्क फॉर लॉन्गर टर्म. So down the line in 3 months to 1 year, it's still working, making your collagen and all. And जैसे जैसे आप एज होती जाती है, when you're young you do make collagen, but with age आपकी बॉडी उसको रिप्लेनिश भी करती है. बट अब एज हो जाती है तो फिर it start finishing off, it finishes off. So CO2 really works amazing on this thing, and it really works amazing on scars. It will fill your scar amazing. Deep scars CO2 laser works brilliant. अगर shallow scar है तो then it's FBM वाला. CO2 is ablative है, and down time होएगा 15 days to 3 weeks, like say 3 weeks आराम से होता है CO2 का डाउन टाइम. बट इट्स अमेजिंग, एंड इट डज रिसर्फेसिंग ऑल्सो. आपके फाइन लाइंस को भी हटाता है, योर रिंकल्स, यू जस्ट गेट ओवरऑल पैकेज है. इट रिसर्फेसेस योर होल स्किन, सो योर पोर्स गेट श्रंक. I had pores का मसला a lot. It really works amazing on my pores. Nothing works on my pore except CO2. It really works, and it does work on your pigmentation also. ये जो freckles and all, it removes that. So it's like it removes your ऊपर का layer का skin, and नीचे you get this amazing skin which you need to take care of it. So scars, yes, it works amazing on scars. I think CO2 is the best for acne वाले scars and all of that. Even surgical one, it works amazing. Okay. What else is there? Okay, Dr. Bagma wanted to know about PRP. Why some clinics charges 5k and other charges 25k? What's the reason? Is there a difference in result? Well, there should be a difference. I believe in quality. So अगर आप I believe अगर आप cheaper quality की cream भी use करते हैं तो वो इतना काम नहीं करती where you use a more authentic FDA or approved product यूज करते हो तो क्वालिटी में तो डिफरेंस होता है और काम में भी होता है. So the same works for products also. So PRP का भी तो किट्स ही होते हैं. अगर आप चाइनीज किट यूज कर रहे हो और अगर आप नॉर्मल पाकिस्तान हमारी जो लेबोरेटरी वाली किट्स है उसी को यूज करके वापस प्लाज्मा डाल रहे हो और खुद ही बना रहे हो, यू आर मेकिंग इट योरसेल्फ, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो. मतलब आई डोंट नो लाइक हाउ डज इट वर्क एंड मैं आई कांट मेक अ किट इन द क्लिनिक. आई डोंट नो. सो एवरी कंपनी का खुद के रूल्स होते हैं. अगर आप अप्रूव किट यूज करते हो इट गिव्स यू 100% रिजल्ट्स. Well, you use a normal local kit तो उसके results में भी different होता है. So that's why the price matter also. If use अगर आप approved kits and products use करते हो तो उनकी price ज़्यादा होती है because it's expensive. because वो approved होती है और बाहर से आती है, tax भी लगेगा, custom भी लगेगा. अगर आप लोकल वाली यूज करती हो जो यहाँ बनती है तो आई डोंट नो वो कौन सी यूज कर रही है और क्या पता वो चाइनीज यूज कर रही है, एक और मसला. सो यस दैट्स व्हाई कोई 5 करेगा तो ऑब्वियसली अगर कोई क्लिनिक अप्रूव किट्स यूज कर रहा है तो वो किट की प्राइस तो निकालेगा ना. आई बाय क्वालिटी. फॉर मी क्वालिटी मैटर्स अ लॉट. अगर मैं कोई क्रीम कुछ भी लेती हूँ आई लुक एट द प्राइस ऑल्सो एंड फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज. इट रियली मैटर्स बिकॉज खुद सोचो उसके मेकिंग में भी लगेगी, उसको पैक करने में भी लगेगा. सो इट डज मेक सेंस ना. So इसलिए price matters with quality also. I believe that. It's my personal opinion. I'm not pinpointing at anyone. But I believe you should use approved things to give results. देखिए I use Prisma के kits. उसके results were 100%. You know it will give you 100% result. Because they're approved kits. You know look into it. They will give you result. So if you use Chinese things, why do you avoid using Chinese things and why do you use certified stuff? इसका products का भी वही scene है. अगर आप certified products use करते हो तो you will 100% see result rather than you use Chinese things. They won't give you results, not like that. So that's why some clinics will charge you 5,000, some will charge you 25 because they must be using approved kits, na? They have to pay for it. Thank you. Okay, I will try answer you in a while. Let me finish this, Pelly. Okay, hello doctor, my name is Maria. I wanted to ask you about CO2 female tightening. Okay, vaginal tightenings. Well, this is a bit of unappropriate question because we're live, we got kids and male on live also, so I can't talk about vaginal tightening with CO2. It's a very I think it's not appropriate to talk about it live. So if you drop your number, email it, I will call you and I'll talk about it. How's that? है ना? So you email me the number and I'll talk about with you. मैं आपको call करके I'll talk to you. I can't talk about this right now because it's a bit inappropriate because we got mail and we got kids also, so it's not appropriate to talk about it. So you leave your number to me and I'll call you. How's that? And I'll talk to you about it. ठीक है? What else is there? Okay, so we talked about always. Let me see if somebody asked me about rosacea. Well, you can rosacea. It can be also a tricky. I also have rosacea. It's a pura medical thing and it doesn't go away, but you can work with it. And I think I have patients waiting because I was at clinic and I had free time, so I thought I just can quickly come and talk about it. But I think my client has arrived, so I have to go. And I hope it all helped and I'll see you guys soon again. And I'm sorry अगर मैंने किसी को यहाँ पे answer नहीं किया. You can drop the questions again, email me and all, and I'll talk about it. I hope it helps. But I have to go for my patients. ठीक है? I think my patient is here. So I'll see you soon again. Hopefully tomorrow. Please drop your questions, email पे. Ask me and I'll talk about it. And I could not talk about rosacea because I have to go. Next time I'll 100% talk about, and I can also give it. आपको email करके भी बता सकती हूँ. If you call, I can talk about it. But right now I have to go because I got my client. I had free time, so I thought I'll just quickly come and talk to you guys. but I think I have to go now. I hope enjoy your day, have a good day, and see you tomorrow, hopefully. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.